Hello friends, welcome back to my classes Inspired with Anushka. Thank you so much for giving so much love and care to our channel. Students, this is channel for you all. It's not of mine, it's for you all. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Let's start the topic. The topic for today is centrosomes. Centrosomes are distinct region in the cytoplasm close to the nucleus. They do not contain DNA. They are found only in the animal cell. In plant cell, the centrosomes is absent. Centrosome is not bounded by the membrane. A centrosomes bear two granule-like structure called the centroids. Centrioles are hollow cylindrical structure in which 27 microtubules remains arranged in a spherical manner. Centrosomes are a small structure situated close to the nucleus in the animal cell. It is somewhat clear areas in which a pair of small granules called the centroids can be seen. In plant cells, centrosomes is absent and the polar caps perform the function of the centrosomes. During cell division, the centroids develops a number of radiating threads or the rays. This whole structure is then called as ester या फिर estar. Some lower plants like the Chlamydomonas do possess certain centrioles at the base of the flagella. Now we will look over the function of the centrioles. So centrosomes या फिर centrioles helps in the formation of spindle fiber during the cell division. It is very necessary for a cell having the centrosomes for the time of cell division. Centrioles takes part in the formation of cilia and flagella in the Chlamydomonas types of organism. And at the time of cell division, centrioles move to the pole and form the spindle fibers, which helps in the movement of chromatid material that is called the daughter chromosomes in the daughter cell or the cell which are now going to be birthed with the previous one in which the division is taking place. They also help in the formation of cilia in the bacteria. We have already discussed it. So friends, this is all about the centrioles. Hope you all have enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, then please press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Students, if you have any comment or any suggestion for me, then please put it in the comment box section. Definitely I will sort out and watch that also. It is good for me also that if I will get something inspirable things from your side, so it will create an virtual conversation with me and you. So please, I will be very glad for seeing the comments in the comment section. So please don't forget to put that. Thank you so much for watching my videos and thanks for giving me so much love and care.